Hello everyone, this is Dharmesh Maurya and welcome back to my channel Java Hub. Today in this video we will learn how to handle exception in Spring Boot. Today here we will see how to handle 500 internet server error and 404 page not found exception. So as you can see, I have already created the project in my STS IDE. So let me run it and show you the output here. As you can see, the project is running on port 7777. These are the videos that I have uploaded recently in my YouTube channel. So let me type localhost colon 7777 /. So this is the home page of my project. So if I here click here, it will handle the 500 internet server error. As you can see, in log it is printing the exception divided by 0 exception occurred, but in front end it is handling the exception. So now let me show you the how to handle the 404 page not found exception. So let me type any fake URL. Yes, it is also handling now. As you can see with the status code 404 printed in log. So now let me show you the code here. Let me start with the pom.xml file. These are the dependencies that I have used in this project. These are the mandatory dependencies that you have to use in order to run this project. And so now let me show you the properties file, which is very simple here. I have used GSP file. With the suffix and prefix properties. And now let me show you the Java code. This is the main Spring Boot class. And this one is used for generating the WAR file for your project. This is the controller package. It has two classes here, exception controller and home controller class. The exception controller class implements the error controller of the Spring. It has one overridden method with it, which is get error path method, which is written down of the page. And this method is returning the request mapping of error, which is written above the page. This one is the home controller. It has only two methods with it. One is used for showing the home page and another one is used for handling the 500 internet server error. As you can see, hello request mapping is used for handling the 500 internet server error. As you can see the log, it is printing the exception. Now let me change the value, and after this it will return the hello.jsp page because it is handling the exception now and showing the actual page. Let me go to the home page. Now error has not occurred and it is returning the hello.jsp page. As you can see, now it is returning the 500 page. All the logics of handling the exception is written in exception controller class. So now let me show you the GSP files. There are 4 JSP files. First one is home.jsp, which is the home page of our project. This one is the home page of our project. And this one is the hello.jsp, which is used for throwing and handling the 500 enter server error page. This page is used to show the content of 404. This page will return whenever the resource not found exception occurred. And this one is the page 500.jsp page. This page will get called whenever internal server exception will occur. So that's it from this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe to my channel. For code, you can comment your email address, or you can see the video description or project download URL if available. Thank you.